Hey, what's up guys? Will here for GSM Arena. Today we have a brand new foldable phone to take a look at, the Honor Magic VS. So what new cool features does Honor have in store for us here? Let's do a quick rundown and find out. The Honor Magic VS is a phone that's only launched in China for now, but unlike the previous model, this time around Honor is gearing up for a global release too. What we have on hand is a pre-production Chinese unit, so we're limited in what we can show. Still, it's a nice demo for what to expect here. The Honor Magic VS is a large foldable with a design somewhat like what you'd get with Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 4. The phone is quite elegant to handle, thanks to a hinge that's much improved over the previous model, the Magic V. Here it folds flat, with a gapless design. The hinge is versatile, allowing you to keep the phone open at different angles depending on what you want to do. While the Magic VS is folded, you get a 6.45-inch OLED outer screen to work with a 1080p resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. Unlike the Z Fold 4's outer display, this one has a 21:9 aspect ratio, like your typical smartphone, and it feels quite natural to use. When the phone is opened up, you get a 7.9-inch OLED with a 2272x1984 resolution. It's different from the other one in that it has just a 90Hz refresh rate. Honor has put some work into reducing the crease where the phone folds over. It's still visible, but not drastically so. The software here is the latest Magic UI 7 with Android 12. It's the first time we see this, but Honor has asked us not to show too much as the UI is still getting its final polish. Still, one useful feature here is that since this is an Honor phone, not Huawei, there is support for Google apps and services. The Magic VS runs on the current top chipset from Qualcomm, the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, so performance here should be tough to beat. And you also get a 5000 mAh battery here, a larger capacity than the Galaxy Z Fold 4. The cameras of the Honor Magic VS look nice. They include a 54-megapixel main cam, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and an 8-megapixel 3x telephoto, and they should be flagship grade. So there you have it. The Honor Magic VS seems like a pretty nice package for a foldable, and it's great to have more options for these sorts of phones on the market. Let us know what you guys think, and I'll see you on the next one.